Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer HTML files to a new server step by step clearly. First, start by preparing your HTML files for transfer. Locate the directory on your current server where your HTML files are stored. Make sure all necessary files, including images, CSS, and JavaScript, are in this directory. Next, access your new server. Log in using the provided credentials, typically through FTP or a file manager. Once logged in, navigate to the directory where you plan to upload your HTML files. Now, return to your old server. Use an FTP client, like FileZilla, to connect to your old server. Enter your old server's hostname, username, and password. Once connected, find the folder containing your HTML files. Select all the files you want to transfer. Begin the transfer by dragging and dropping the selected files into the FTP client window connected to your new server. Monitor the transfer process for any errors. Once the transfer is complete, switch back to your new server. Confirm that all files have been successfully uploaded. Check the file permissions to ensure they are set correctly. Now, test the HTML files by accessing the new server's URL in a web browser. If everything appears correctly, you're ready to update your DNS settings. Change the DNS records to point to your new server's IP address. Wait for the DNS changes to propagate, which may take up to 48 hours. Finally, double-check your website on the new server after the DNS propagation is complete. Ensure all links, images, and styles are functioning as expected. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred your HTML files to a new server. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.